Okay guys, today what I'm gonna show you how to make, you're gonna make a fried corn tortilla chip, and we're going to make a salsa, salsa manga, and we're going to make spaghetti with anchovy. It's a good thing. That's what we're going to cook today, and we're gonna have garlic bread. Guess what? A little vegetable, a complete meal on 30 minutes. Yes, today what I'm gonna show you how to do a simple appetizer is tortilla and salsa. How to make tortilla chip. They got two kinds. They got flour tortilla and corn tortilla. You can use whatever you want. Let me show you how to cut it. How to cut it on the middle. You cut it. And after that, you're gonna cut it again. Now you cut it on 2. Now you're gonna cut it on 4. And after 4, now we're gonna cut everything up. We're going to fry them. It's easy to make, and remember we're talking about the budget friendly. Yes, and it's quick, it's easy to make. That's the way you call it. You see, he give you the same size like you buy the tortilla. So now we're going to fry the tortilla. I use vegetable oil, but you can use whatever oil you feel comfortable, whatever you eat. Okay, so the oil is very hot. You just drop them. They don't take too long to cook. It's good when you make it too. You can put the children involved, Like next time when I do the video, my granddaughter gonna be with me, because when you're cooking, you all let them to come to the kitchen, They give you an idea that they grow up coming to like to cook too. Yeah, come everybody to help, and it's good when family cooking together. Your husband cut the tomato, your daughter do this. Is good, and after that, when the food is ready, everybody sit down on the table and eat it, enjoy the food. We're gonna let them golden and brown. Now it's golden, it's brown, so I'm gonna take it out of the pan. Use a paper napkin, to absorb all the grease, because you don't want to eat nothing greasy. Oh, look at them. And they smell good too. Yes, as soon you take it out of the pan, when it's hot, that's why you put a little salt on it. But it's optional. If you don't want salt, you don't put no salt. Now we finished with the tortilla. We're going to start on the salsa. Okay, now you're ready to prepare the salsa. We have tomato. It's 3 or 4 tomatoes. You can put whatever you want. And we're gonna add the jalapeno. I take the seed out so it's not too spicy. But if you want it spicy, you put it like that. You're gonna put a little red onion, lime juice, vegetable seasoning. Last not least, we're gonna chop the cilantro. I put a little bit more on it. Okay, we're gonna add the cilantro. Now we're gonna stir it up. I'm gonna add a little salt. And remember, when you cook, you need to taste. Some people, they cook, they never taste. After that, when the food is ready, that's why they say, oh, he missing salt, he missing salt. No, always taste your food. That's your food. Look at that. He looks so pretty. You see the green, the red. Oh, now we're going to test them. Very good. Now let me show you how to present that. This is the final result. This is the fried tortilla with the salsa. This is the simple appetizer. Go try it. Now I already got a pot of boiling water. I'm gonna add some salt. Make sure you salt your water. Very good. And now I'm gonna add the spaghetti. It's 1 box. To depend your family size. if your family is not a big family, family of 2 or 3, you can use half. Or you do all and you put the rest in the fridge. I'm gonna let them go. But you don't want it soupy spaghetti. You want it very crunchy. You're gonna boil until 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna get ready. Now we're gonna cut tomato. How to cut tomato? I already cut half on it. Just slightly. Because you're gonna do small dice. Little square. But you can cut it whatever you want. I use fresh tomato because I like fresh produce. But if you don't want to, you can use the canned tomato, whatever you feel like. Whatever is easy, make it easy for you. I finished with the tomato now. Let me do a little cleanup. Because you know the tomato had a lot of juice on it. Okay. Now we're gonna add the anchovy. Remember the anchovy coming with oil. So you don't need to add no more oil. You don't want to eat a greasy spaghetti. We're gonna add a little kick on it. Like this. Now I'm gonna add the tomato. I'm gonna add the onion. But you can put whatever vegetable you feel comfortable with it. Remember, the anchovy is very salty, so you need to taste before you add salt. We let them fry so they can get together. It smells so good. And guess what? You can do the anchovy with onion and tomato, bruschetta too, and little crackers. You can use it for different things. Okay. Now we're going to add the spaghetti. Oh, this smells. Make me hungry. Now I'm gonna add a little bit oil. And I'm going to add a little hot sauce to give it a kick. Not too much, like 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add vegetable sizzling. This is very good. Now, I'm going to test if you everything, if you don't missing nothing. A little bit cool down. Just a bit from my mouth. Now I'm going to add a little Parmesan cheese. A little Cajun. Thank you guys for watching. This is the final product. This is the fried tortilla with salsa, and this is the spaghetti with avocado and anchovy. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give me a comment. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.